More news coming in back home. Karnataka government versus governor face off only escalating. The leader of the opposition has written to the speaker over assembly chaos, seeking disciplinary action against MLAs, MLCs. Karnataka leader of the opposition says few MLAs and MLCs are disrespectful or disrespected the governor. This has got to do with the controversy that erupted over Governor Thawarchand Gehlot walking out of the Karnataka Assembly earlier today.
Ruling party MLA, MLCs trying to attack His Excellency is totally unconstitutional. So I demand Honorable Chief Minister Siddaramaiah should seek apology regarding the attitude of the ruling MLA and MLCs, and he should also take strict action. Speaker also should also look into the matter. He should take action against those MLA and MLCs who are trying to stop and who are trying to attack governor.
Rajendra there saying that the MLAs and MLCs disrespectful towards the speaker and that action has to be taken. This is the face-off which is brewing between the Karnataka government on one hand and the governor and the opposition on the other hand. The leader of the opposition writing to the speaker over the chaos that was seen in the assembly and disrespected for the governor, seeking disciplinary action against the MLAs and MLCs for the ruckus that was seen earlier. This has got to do with the speech that was to be read out by the governor as is customary in the beginning of the session of the assembly session. But the governor chose not to read out, given that it had references to the G. Ramji bill. Its propaganda is what was said by the governor. I'm going to go across to Sagai, tracking the drama since morning at the assembly. The leader of the opposition now says, Sagai, that MLAs and MLCs were disrespectful towards the governor and that action has to be taken against them.
Absolute leader of opposition R. Ashok has written a letter to the speaker UT Khadar demanding disciplinary action against few MLAs and MLCs. Actually manhandled Governor Thawarchand Gehlot when he was trying to exit from the assembly session, and if you notice that even the Congress leader B.K. Hariprasad, who spoke to us, saying that it is baseless allegations against the Congress MLAs and MLC. In fact, he has alleged that when he was trying to protest against the walkout of the governor, he was being manhandled and even his clothes were torn. He just addressed the media, and if you notice that these kind of allegations and counter allegations continues in the state of Karnataka.
ಸಂವಿಧಾನ ವಿರೋಧಿ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಸರ್ಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ರಾಜ್ಯಪಾಲ ಕಾನೂನಿದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಇತ್ತೀಚಿನ ಕ್ರಿಮಿನಲ್ ಲಾನೊಳಗೂ ಸಹಿತ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಆಂಥಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಗೌರವಿಸಬೇಕಿದೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದೊಳಗೆ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಗೀತೆಗೆ ಅವಮಾನ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ರಾಜ್ಯಪಾಲರಿಗೆ ನಾ ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಸದನದ ಮೂಲಕ ವಿನಂತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಕ್ಷಮ ಕೇಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇದು ನೆಟ್ಟಗಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸಂವಿಧಾನವನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡಬೇಕಾದವರು ನೀವು ಈ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದೇನಿದೆ ಸರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಅದನ್ನ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಅಥವಾ ಅದನ್ನ ಡಿಫೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಭಾವನೆ ಏನಿವೆ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಗೀತೆ ವಿರೋಧಿ ಭಾವನೆಗಳು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ಮಾನ್ಯ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಬಯಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಾವು ಒಂದು ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ತಮ್ಮ ನಿರ್ಣಯವನ್ನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅರಿಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀನಿ. ಮಾನ್ಯ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಸಂತಾಪ